How you doing, guys? Welcome back to Just Fix It. Here we have a 2012 Apple MacBook Pro. We're going to be changing the battery again. And this is how I choose to do what I do. Yes. Um, First, you have to remove the back panel. Mine is already unscrewed, so I'll just go ahead and remove it. We will be doing multiple changes on this laptop because it's basically a upgrade. But we're gonna start with the battery first. The battery, we're gonna do the battery first. Hold on, let me get this microphone a little bit closer so you guys can hear. So we'll be doing the battery first and removing it. Okay. So as I said, we already did the major screw removal. So it would normally have like one right here, two right here, and I think that's what was holding. Yeah, it had one right here and two right here. I don't think it had any other ones. It was just those two holding it. Then you have to go ahead and unplug this first. Um, I think that was not supposed to happen, guys. Yeah, I apologize. Yeah, but here I have a kit that I ordered from Amazon. This is the battery kit. It came with a few screwdrivers and stuff. Okay. So this is what I will be adding to it. Okay, so guys, just know that you will be coming back again to check out the rest of the video because this is just the battery replacement. We have other stuff to replace. We have the memories. We have two of them here replace, one underneath the other, and we also have the hard drive to replace to a 1 terabyte. Right? We're not gonna cover everything in one video, but we're gonna start the process by removing the battery. Okay? So it's already unscrewed. That's your first step. Unscrew it. Then before you try to take it out, remember that it's still connected to the system. So you can get something like a screwdriver or something and take a little time and unplug that. Then you hold it by right here and then you can put it up like this. See? Comes out very easily. There's no hassle to it. Then the same process. I don't know if you should, but I see this one here comes with a plastic on it. It says brand new. But anyway, I'm just gonna slide it in, make sure it fits. Ooh, perfect, perfect fit. And then we wanna plug it up right here. Make sure this fits. Ooh, nice, real nice. All right. I want to go ahead and remove the plastic because it's battery. So the caution: do not dispose of this fire, but keep the battery away from. Okay, understand. I guess it's just to cover up this. This is not really for the battery, so we're gonna remove that. We're going to remove that. Anyway, no singing. So, with that being done, right, we can go ahead. That is already plugged there, and came with a few screws, which is here, right? So, the battery itself come with a few screws. So if you lost the old one, um, that'd be good, guys. I think I'll be able to put the link for this for how I got this battery. So it ranges from like 2011 to 2014. I think mine's a 2012. So that's the one I got. Okay, let me see. This one I supposed to. Let me see. Is this sometimes these computers come with multiple different types of screws, and sometimes some are shorter than sometimes some are smaller. So you have to just get the correct ones, so you don't have run into any issues. This stuff will make things very hard for you if you do not know what you're doing. If you pick up the wrong set of screws, put in that hole, and then it's not fitting, and then it keeps falling out, and it can just be a whole headache. So right now, you see what I'm going through. Because I fixed computers before, but I never fixed no Apple computer. So it's a bit more complicated, but I still have an idea of what I'm doing because I already did it before. Okay, so it will right there is gonna take one of those long ones. Go ahead and take your time and you work it in. Yeah, you work it in. Right. So that took a very long one. I don't think that these require long ones. This is very too short. It actually works. It actually works. So you guys, it's simple as that. Replacing the battery. You put in the battery, plug it up, screw it back up, and you're all set. It's ready to go. Then you reinstall your back panel. All of this I will be doing it after because, as I said, I'm not finished. This was just the battery replacement. Thank you guys for checking out the video. I hope you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Just fix it. Um, and if you're a new viewer, please go ahead and subscribe to this video. If it was of any help to you at all, and even if it didn't help, please subscribe. I'm just saying, if you view the video, please give me a subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, um, hopefully by the new year. So let's do this, guys. Let's keep it up. Let's keep it going. I know I have not been posting much since of lately, but as I said, been busy. So I'm getting back to it right now, giving you guys content, things that how you can do things. Not hard at all. You just gotta put your mind to it. So thank you again for checking out my video, guys. Stay safe out there. Happy holiday season. I'm out.